Okay, so I am Lisa Young, and I am one of the 4 artists that do Creative Whispers, along with Tina, Gabrielle, and Wendy. Last month was such a great month. We enjoyed it. It was so fun to have you guys play along, and we encourage you to continue to do so. So if you're new to the concept, what happens is I work from a prompt. So I pulled a prompt last month. In June, I pulled a prompt, and in July, I use that prompt, but I don't tell anybody what the prompt is. I don't reveal it to anyone. I don't reveal it to the other artists. I just work from that prompt, and you have to guess by watching my video what the prompt is. So artist number 2 will watch this video and just try to guess what this prompt is. And after they do so, they'll create a video, and then artist number 3 will do the same, and 4. So artist number 3 will watch the previous artist. So they won't watch my video, they'll only watch the second artist's video. So then the third artist is just kind of going from what the second artist is showing in their video. And they guess that prompt from that, and then they film theirs. Then the fourth artist does the same from the third artist's video, and trying to guess what this prompt might be. It's similar to a game of telephone when you were a child and somebody whispered in your ear, and then you whispered in the person's ear in front of you until it got to the end of the line, and then you kind of were like, okay, who said what was the first original comment, and seeing how different those might be. That's the same concept, but with art and mixed media. So today I am going to start using that prompt, and I'm going to just show you the supplies that I'm using, and then I'm just going to create, and you can just watch the video and see if you can guess what the prompt is. So I always use the similar. I'm traveling right now, so a lot of my stuff is like in travel arranged here. So I have my jelly roll with some supplies. It has my pens, pencil, water brush. It has rulers. It has a plethora of gel pen. There's some rulers. There's just a little bit of everything. So I always have this with me, and then I have a travel watercolor kit. I have this little tin of supplies. It has clip art, it has dried flowers in it, it has some some watercolor botanicals in here. There's some words. I think let's see what's in here. There's some stamps, some old stamps there. Those are pressed flowers. Let's open this up and see what I have in here. It's just where I keep all of the supplies. So there's some clip art, some pockets, tags, vintage things, little backgrounds. It has a little bit of everything, and I just kind of tend to work from this. Sometimes I'll pull something different, but this is what I usually keep stocked, so it's like easy to grab, easy to hold. I have people gave us some cards, so I was going to keep those envelopes in here because they make nice little inserts sometimes. And so I'm going to put that to the side. I have scissors, I have glue, I have, here I have some markers that I like to use. So I have those here, a little bit of everything. And then the journal that I'm working in is just this it's just this cute little journal, accordion journal that I bought off of Amazon, and I enjoy using it. So it's almost full, so I'm excited to work in this page. I do have paper clips right here too. Staples, glue, paper clips. I don't know where my paper clips went. Oh, there they are. I like to have, I don't know, some adhesives, some paper clips. I like to have a little bit of everything on hand to create with. So now I'll just film this and let you watch me create and see if you can guess what the prompt is. Good luck. Oh, and one more thing. On the 15th, we will post what the prompt was and draw for the next month's prompt. So we'll know by the 15th what the next month prompt is. The person who is doing it will know, I guess, we'll know what the next month's prompt is. So be looking for that and join in. We love whenever if you do film a video from and join in, send us a link to your YouTube video and will send me one, and I will upload it into the YouTube playlist so that people can watch along with you. Or you can tag us on Instagram. We just want you to join in on the fun. And so make sure you share it with us. We would love to see you guys' submissions. Thank you, and we'll continue on.